Navian quick installation setup guide. It says right here, measuring the inlet gas pressure. Anytime you install a gas-fired appliance, you should measure the inlet gas pressure. Any good gas fitter will do this on anytime they install any gas-fired appliance. Navians, you go to the gas valve here. There's a little screw right there. You're gonna loosen it 3 turns. First thing you wanna do is shut off the gas. One, 2, 3. Take your manometer. It should be called a womanometer. I don't know. What do you think?
No idea.
Shove it on there. Oh, lost it. Turn the gas back on. And we are at 8.4 inches of water column. That's when we're not using any gas-fired equipment. Natural gas here, anywhere between 3.5 inches to 10.5 inches. So now I'm going to fire up some faucets, and let's see where this baby sits. 7.7. I got 2 faucets firing right now. So we're right in between the recommended gas pressure settings. This baby's purring like a kitten. Meow.